Have you ever wondered why some men are so easy for women to forget, while others stay in her mind for years? And when you really look at it, it's not always the most handsome guy, not the funniest, not the loudest or most popular one, but there's something different. A presence, a vibe, a feeling that stays. And do you know what creates that difference? Not sweet words, not flirting techniques, not trying to look impressive. It's one thing only: how he makes her feel. That's it. Simple, but deep. Why most men are easy to forget. Most men today live in a reactive mode. They want to be accepted. They want to be liked. They want validation. So they chase, they over-explain, they even lower themselves as just to feel chosen. And the strange part, the more they chase, the more women lose interest. Why? Because any man can do that. But a man who is strong on the inside, who doesn't need approval, who doesn't perform for attention, that man is hard to forget. He's calm, but he has presence. He doesn't talk much, but every word and action carries weight. Men like that are rare, and rare things are. I remember, now let's get into it. 6 things women never forget about a man, not because of style, but because his inner world is different. 1. A man who controls his emotions. Most men lose control when they feel disrespected or rejected. They get defensive, they argue. They turn small things into drama. But those moments reveal true character. A truly strong man doesn't need anger to look firm. He stays calm, he breathes, he responds with clarity, and trust me, that leaves a deep impression on women. Imagine she says something sharp, testing your ego. An average man reacts emotionally, but you smile slightly and say, "I understand what you mean." Then you walk away. No drama, no conflict. And that's when she thinks, why is he so calm? Because two women. Emotional control equals safety. Not dominance, but stability, and women never forget a man who made them feel safe. 2. A man who listens more than he talks. Everyone today wants to be heard, to reply fast, to win arguments. But a different kind of man? He is present. He doesn't wait for his turn to speak. He doesn't plan his response. He listens fully, without interrupting, without judging, without trying to fix everything. And that creates a powerful effect. A woman feels, he really understands me. It's not about words, that's about energy. And feeling truly hard is rare. That's why it's unforgettable. 3. A man who can walk away calmly. You don't see a man's character. He's loved. You see it when he loses love. An average man begs, tries to convince, creates drama. But a man with self-control says, "I wish you happiness." Then he walks away. No anger, no insults, no bitterness. And believe it or not, that's what stays in her mind. The longest, because she expected chaos and got peace. A man who can leave calmly, has not lost himself even when he lost someone else. And that kind of strength is unforgettable. 4. A man who lives for a mission bigger than love. Unforgettable men don't revolve their lives around women. They have direction. They don't wake up to check messages. They wake up to chase purpose. And when a woman sees that, respect appears naturally because she realizes, he doesn't depend on me. That's exactly where attraction grows. A man with purpose is powerful. Energy direction creates certainty. Certainty creates safety. That's female psychology. 5. A man whose presence brings calm, not chaos. Healthy connection is not about constant excitement. It's about peace. Women never forget a man who made them feel calm. No drama, no anxiety, no emotional exhaustion, just relief. The kind of energy that makes her think, I can finally breathe. And women always remember a place where they felt Safe. 6. A man who forgives. Without holding grudges. This is the highest level. Strength is not revenge. Strength is forgiveness with losing self-respect. Not forgetting, but not letting pain control you. You move on. You stay clean inside, and that commands deep respect because most people need validation. They need to prove they didn't lose, but time speaks for you. And that's the power of a grounded man. Final message. Women never forget a man who stays calm under pressure, listens with sincerity, walks away peacefully, lives with purpose, brings emotional safety, and forgives without bitterness. A man like that doesn't need to be loud to be remembered. He doesn't chase validation. He already has it within. And in a noisy world like this, men like that are rare, and rare minari, never forgotten. Because when emotions fade, messages disappear, and memories blur. One thing remains. The man who never lost himself is to prove he was worthy of love. And if you can become that man, bro, you won't just be remembered. You'll be respected. Thank you. Hope this helps.